And yeah, we still have another one. Hey, give me back the thing. I told Chica, and I have 2 cupcakes with me. I stole Chica's. Haha. Give me that cupcake.
Calm down, you two guys. You're not gonna play if you keep fighting. Now, Toy Chica, you're gonna leave. I'm gonna let the marionette play this time.
Wait, no.
Oh, it's okay, Freddy. I could beat that 5 or hard. Hello, everyone. I'm Marionette. And we also have another guy, Freddy Fazbear.
I'm not Freddy Fazbear. I'm Funtime Freddy. Look at me.
Oh, you're Funtime Freddy. You talk like one, a girl. All right, so let's get straight into this. Night 5.
Yeah. But
So
why
Bonnie
died. Like that?
Bonnie died a couple of times.
Yeah.
But I don't blame him. I don't blame him because it was.
Please believe him. What are you?
Welcome back to your last day on the job. That is the last day of your first week. Some of the most valued qualities that we like to see in new employees are determination, fearlessness, and a genuine disregard for instinctive self-preservation. You've earned your 1-week bonus, which will be given to you in the form of a delightful gift basket, the cost of which will be taken out of your next paycheck.
What? For what?
We have gift baskets containing fruit, nuts, flowers, and of course the ever-popular cash basket. Using the keypad below, please enter the first few letters of the gift basket you would like to receive.
Chica, what are you doing here?
I don't know what to.
I don't know.
It seems you had some trouble
Get
with the
out of
keypad.
here.
I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. Thank you for selecting Exotic Butters.
Exotic Butters.
That's terrible. We need that cash basket.
Please be aware that there are still 2 technicians on site today. Try to avoid interfering with their work if possible. Also, feel free to ask them why they are still there and encourage them to go home.
Yeah, right. So we're talking about like that one, the people that were talking when Bonnie was yeah, them. They should be not here. They should be going home. The place closes. The place. Everyone should be out by 12 a.m. Right? Only night guards. Only night guards should be there. They encourage them to go home. Alright.
How do you know this stuff?
Because the fuck I just said it, you idiot.
I'm just
kidding.
Chica, what are you doing here? Well, I just like being an idiot and things like that. So bye.
Alright.
Let's check on Ballora and make sure she's on her stage.
Alright, let's check Ballora.
Great. Now let's check on Funtime Foxy.
Thank God you said that nothing's going on.
Great. It looks like everything is as it should be in Funtime Auditorium. Your task today will involve more maintenance work. Circus Baby had a rough day and is in need of repair.
No one did.
You will be required to reach the parts and service room by once again sneaking through Funtime Auditorium. As always, please proceed with caution.
Alright, so I'm gonna do what Foxy did, okay? Alright, so flash the beacon. Go ahead.
I don't think I have to flash the beacon.
I just want to do it just in case. I'm scared. I don't want to die.
I thought Funtime Foxy was scooped. You see him in the scooper room?
I never saw him in the scooper room.
Oh, me neither. I'm an idiot.
Oh yeah, you're right. Maybe you don't have to do it. So I should tell Golden Freddy does he have to do it. I don't know.
Great job reaching parts and service. Circus Baby has been deactivated for an unknown reason. It's your job to make sure she is structurally stable.
Well, I'm gonna take over.
Our technicians will take it from
All
there.
right.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we know. What the hell?
Yeah.
There is a passcode that you must enter before you can retrieve me.
Well, I don't know.
Enter the code carefully.
I don't know.
6, 8, 4, 7, 1, 7, 4, 6, 7, 1. Good. A hash should have
4th, 6th, and
opened.
7th.
Take the card that you find inside.
Okay.
Now let's follow baby.
I don't know. Should we follow baby? Is that what it's supposed to do?
Yeah.
What happened to her eyeballs?
I don't know. She's just an idiot. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
She was deactivated.
Wait, is she going to the scuba room?
Yes, yeah, she was in the scuba room.
You must follow my instructions in Funtime Auditorium.
Okay.
Go back now.
Okay.
Go forward.
How was I supposed to do it? I think you have to click up.
Okay, let's try it. Now we have to do this all over again. Alright, we're gonna pause it and then we're gonna
Come back.
Yeah, we'll come back to it. Alright.
Great job reaching parts and service. Circus Baby has been deactivated for an unknown reason. It's your job to make sure she is structurally stable and secured to the conveyor. Our technicians will take it from there.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so we know what to do. So I'm gonna just click that. So Chica,
Can you hear me?
so Chica, have you ever played Sister Location? This is your first
There is a
time.
passcode that you must enter before you can retrieve
I
me.
told the rest of the animatronics.
Enter the code carefully. 5, 1, 5, 2, 7, 5, 9, 4, 3, 9, 6. Good.
That was a lot of
Should
mistakes
have
there.
opened.
Right, you
Take the
got
card
one.
that
Oh,
you
I
find
got one
inside.
wrong, right?
Yeah, I got one wrong.
Oh, that's weird.
Alright, we're back to
So
where
what
we
you're
were.
supposed to do is when you get it wrong, don't worry, because anyone will kill you. If you hit the same button again, he will kill you. Because
You
if you
must
get it
follow
wrong,
my
she will say a
instructions
different
in
way.
fun. Go forward.
Top, remember? You're right.
Stop. Go forward and left.
Okay.
Keep going. Stop. Be silent.
No, it's glitched.
See? It's glitched.
Alright guys, so we're gonna pause it, and when we get to Enard, we're gonna
Come back.
unpause it. Alright, so we're back.
back.
So let's do this again. Alright.
You must follow my instructions
remember,
in
tap.
fun. Go forward.
Don't hold it.
Oh, I'm supposed to hold it.
Oh yeah, this part you hold it. Yeah, this part you
You
hold,
hold it.
Oh, mini game. Alright, let's try this. Alright, do that, alright?
I don't remember this.
What are you doing? What do you do with the last one? Wait, you're not supposed to do that.
No, I'm not. I'm such an idiot.
You're supposed to not. Don't hit them, don't hit them. That's for the third. That's for the green one. Then. You didn't do it. Hit them.
Damn it. I can't do it.
I don't know. Don't kill yourself.
Yeah, you have to.
Alright guys, we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. We have to try doing this.
It's hard.
We got the first part, we just got glitchy on the last time, right?
Yeah.
So
You
can
must
do this.
follow my instructions.
But when
in
you-
fun
when you,
times. Go forward.
When she says stop,
Stop. Go forward.
Don't tap. Tap.
Keep going. Stop. Be silent.
See? You're supposed to tap it.
It's freaking glitch.
Let's see. No, how is that? Alright, we tried so hard to do this.
This is hard.
Alright.
I'm gonna let not the non-sweaty hands do it. My hands are sweaty.
Where's mine?
You must follow my instructions in Funtime Auditorium.
Because you're 8.
Go back now. Go forward. Stop. Go forward and left. Keep going. Stop. Be silent.
Alright, it's Jay, it's Chica. She
Go
has,
forward and left.
Because of my sweaty hands.
yeah, she has sweaty hands.
Stop.
She's right in front of you.
Go forward. You are almost there.
Remember, let baby finish.
Okay. Alright.
Stop. She is right in front of you. Don't move.
Okay.
He
Alright.
is here to help, Ballora. He is not here to hurt us. Ballora, he is here to help us. Go forward again.
Okay.
Ballora is behind you. She is afraid of the scooping room. She will not follow you.
Okay. I'm in this. Oh, Ballora.
You've entered a highly dangerous
Funtime
area.
Freddy. Bun Bun.
Told you Funtime Foxy is destroyed.
Oh.
You are in the scooping room now. I've been out before, but they always put me back.
Hey, is that an
They
eye?
always put us back inside. There's nowhere for us to hide here.
That's
When we
Springtrap.
look like
No, that's an
this,
art.
No, that's
and
not.
if
an
we
art.
look
It is?
like you,
Yeah.
then
In the
we
mask?
could hide.
Oh, okay, but I.
The scooper only hurts for a moment.
Oh no. Please don't hurt me. Oh.
Is this the bathroom scene?
Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Please like, subscribe.
Sub.
BB will be doing the mini game. Who knows how to do the mini game? I'm not that Freddy. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Let's go. Alright, so
The voices.
empty. Alright, it's kind of long, so alright, bye everyone. See you next time.